today we are making Dolly Parton's coconut cake, but a little bit different my way. I'm gonna start off with 3/4 of a cup of buttermilk. This is a 1/4 cup measure, so I'm just gonna use 3 of them. And then 3/4 of a cup of regular milk. I'm using whole, but I think any would be okay. We're gonna add 4 whole eggs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay, now that we have our eggs in, we're gonna add the cake mix, which I'm using coconut, but you can really use whatever you want. This is just what I had. All right, and we're going to mix until it's fully combined and fluffy. So this is fully mixed now. There's no lumps, looking good. Now I'm gonna use a Bundt pan, but you can use like a 9x13. This just sounds better to me. I'm gonna spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. All right, and we're just gonna pour it in here. This is gonna go in the oven at 350 degrees. The box says for 24 to 28 minutes. I'm gonna put it in for like 25 and check it and then see how we're doing. I have some coconut toasting in the air fryer, so now we're gonna make frosting for the cake. I'm just using some powdered sugar. How much? I don't know, however much was left in that bag. And then I'm out of vanilla extract from Christmas baking, so I'm just using almond, which I think is gonna go really well with the coconut. Maybe half a teaspoon-ish. And then some milk. Not much, because I kind of want this frosting to be a little thicker. Okay. That was probably like 2 tablespoons. We'll see where that gets us. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit more in there. Make sure there's no lumps. Perfect. Okay, our cake is baked. I ended up baking it for about 28 minutes total, and it looks perfect to me. And then we have our frosting that we made earlier. I did go ahead and put this in the fridge just because number 1, it had milk in it, and number 2, I wanted it to like get a little bit thick. Let's frost this thing. I'm just gonna kind of spoon it around. The cake is still a little bit warm, so I'm thinking that it's gonna kind of like melt the frosting down a little bit. I have the toasted coconut. I just toasted this in the air fryer. And it's made my whole house smell really good, so. Perfect. And there is our coconut buttermilk cake.